To find and use the job board in Paycom, start by logging into your Paycom account. Once you have accessed the dashboard, click on the Recruitment tab located at the top of the page. This will direct you to the Recruitment dashboard where you can view and manage all job openings. In the Recruitment dashboard, click on the Job Board tab. The job board is a centralized location where all job openings are listed. You can filter job openings by location, department, and job type to quickly find the job you are looking for. To create a new job posting, click on the Create Job button. Fill in the required information such as job title, description, and requirements. You can also add screening questions to help narrow down qualified candidates. Once you have created the job posting, you can share it on social media and job boards to attract candidates. Paycom also allows you to set up automatic posting to popular job boards such as Indeed and LinkedIn. To view and manage applications, click on the Applicants tab. Here you can view resumes, cover letters, and answers to screening questions. You can also move applicants through the hiring process by changing their status. Best practices for using the job board in Paycom include regularly updating job postings and removing filled positions to avoid confusion. It is also important to customize your job postings to include specific requirements and qualifications to attract the right candidates. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the job board in Paycom to manage your recruitment process and find the best candidates for your job openings. Paycom's job board is a powerful tool that streamlines the hiring process and helps you make informed decisions when selecting candidates.